If you suffer from headaches or migraines, you know just how much they can interfere with your life. Diet, getting adequate sleep, and staying hydrated make a huge difference in keeping headaches and migraines away. It's also important to act fast before they really start to set in. When you feel a headache coming on, nip it in the bud. Apply this DIY headache salve and drink a tall glass of water immediately. This salve will still help even after a headache or migraine has set in. Watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel to get more recipes and tips. Peppermint, especially the aroma, is great for naturally easing headaches and migraines. Apply a small amount to your forehead and temples for relief. For a creamy, smooth salve, follow these instructions exactly, or use a little less beeswax. To make it more like a balm, add more beeswax and cut down on the coconut oil. How to make DIY headache salve. You will need 2/3 cup of peppermint infused oil, 1/3 cup of beeswax, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 4 drops of vitamin E oil, 2 mason jars, 3 drops of eucalyptus or rosemary essential oil. In a double boiler, add peppermint infused oil, beeswax and coconut oil. Heat the ingredients until everything is melted. Take the mixture off of the heat and allow it to cool for a minute or two. Add the vitamin E oil and essential oils if you are using those. Lavender, rosemary and eucalyptus have been known to ease headaches and migraines as well. Remember to go easy on the essential oils, as overpowering scents can have the opposite effect. Stir the mixture until the oils are all mixed in. Pour the salve mixture into mason jars and allow to cool. If sealed and stored in a cool, dark place, this homemade salve can last up to a year. Because there is coconut oil, it can become more solidified in cold temperatures. Alternatively, hotter temps will make it smoother and creamier. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.